In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Expedia points for hotels. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to use any points that you have available on your Expedia account inside of the Expedia website at www.expedia.com or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to redeem your points. If you are doing this on a computer through a web browser like I am, sign into your account and click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and then select Account from the drop-down menu that appears. Within your account page, you will be able to select Expedia Rewards. In the Expedia Rewards tab, you will see your progress and how many points you have available to redeem. All you have to do now is select Redeem for Hotel over here at the bottom. When you click this option, you will be redirected to a page that's going to give you a summary of the Expedia Rewards program, and now click Start Planning a Trip at the top. You will once again be redirected to this page where you will be able to find the destination and include a check-in date and a checkout date. After you start your search, you will be able to filter it however you like and browse through all the available options. You can watch out for member prices. As you can see, they are discounted if you wish, or just browse through any of the usual available options. In the checkout page for whatever hotel you choose, you will be able to scroll down until you find the payment method, and as you can see on the screen, this is how it's going to look like. You will need to click the option to use your Expedia points and then input how many points you want to use towards this purchase. As long as you have the available amount of points, you will be able to get a discount on any hotel that you choose, and you will be able to redeem your rewards. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Expedia points for hotel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.